jazz. So today I wanted to do like a summer vlog. I have some like productive stuff I want to do, like go to the grocery store and like clean my room and stuff like that. So I wanted to vlog it for you guys, and yeah, this is like the first vlog I've done in so long, so it feels like really weird vlogging. But I got a camera for my birthday. I did end up getting it, and so I'm super excited. Y'all can probably already tell by the quality, like it's like freakishly good. Let me show you guys my outfit before we go to the grocery store. And I don't know why I said it like that. This is what I'm wearing to the grocery store. It's just this cropped green shirt. I'm not sure where it's from, but it's kind of thick. Like, I don't know if I like it or not. Kind of makes me hot, but it's cute. So, and I'm wearing these shorts from H&M. They're just like regular blue jean shorts. And then I'm wearing my Bergs. Let's go to the grocery store. I'm back from the grocery store now, and I wanted to show y'all a little bit of what I got. I kind of already like put everything away, so I think I'm just gonna show you guys like it in my fridge, if that's okay. I got these snickerdoodle cookies. They're literally so good. I've already eaten 3, not gonna lie, but yeah, they're gluten-free. If y'all saw my last video, y'all would know I'm gluten-free. I went to the doctor and got tested, and I'm actually allergic to gluten. So yeah, I got that. I got some cream cheese. I got some salami that I also already ate a little bit. I was really hungry. I got free range, large brown grade A eggs. I used to get like regular like cheap eggs, and then I started like feeling bad about like the chickens that they have and how like they're mistreated and stuff, so I thought I would get free range. And then I got unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I do have one back there, but I'm like running out of it, so I got this one. I got this macro bar. Sorry, this is kind of gross because I already ate some of it, but I got this Go macro bar. It's mocha chocolate chip. I tried it, as you can see, and it's like, I don't know, I just couldn't really finish it. It wasn't that good. So yeah, I got that. I've always wanted to try the Justin peanut butter cups, so I finally got some. Yeah, they're like healthier Reese's, I guess. And then I got 2 Quest bars. I got the chocolate peanut butter, and then I also got the double chocolate chunk, and I got this gluten-free cookie by Nugo, I guess that's how you say it. But yeah, it's vegan and gluten-free, so that's kind of cool. And then I just got plain, sorry, that was upside down. I just got plain like corn tortillas. I got some hummus. It's actually cilantro jalapeno, so I'm like super excited about this. I'm hoping it'll be good. String cheese, chicken. I got more turkey sausage. I eat this stuff like crazy, like in the morning. I got baby spinach, more salami. You can't really tell, but these are mushrooms. Yeah, mushrooms in a bag. Got some more avocados and a zucchini for like dinner and stuff. I got some Udi's gluten-free bread. I got sweet potato fries. And then I got 2 of these. I already ate one, but they're gluten-free burritos by Amy's. And they have rice and beans and cheese, and they're super good. I got these chips. They're like Doritos, like similar to Doritos. I got Annie's rice shell pasta. It's like white cheddar, and it's gluten-free. Bananas for my smoothies. Honest, I feel like so weird vlogging, and I really want to like get used to this, but it's like so hard to talk to a camera because I just like I'm trying to like act like I normally would if like you were like my friend or something, and it's like so hard to do. I don't know, it's literally like talking to yourself, like you feel kind of crazy, so I'm really trying to get used to it. But yeah, right now I'm just sitting on my bed, and I'm sitting in a pile of laundry, clean laundry that I need to do. So I think I might do that. I actually have like 2 loads I need to do, which is kind of a lot. But yeah, I have 2 loads I need to do, and then I need to like put more clothes in the washer and then like keep doing loads, and I need to clean my room. So maybe I'll do like a little time lapse of that, and then at the end I can like do a little tour of my room if y'all want to see that. But yeah, I'm really sorry if like I seem like awkward right now or like weird, because I'm trying not to, like, in all honesty, I'm trying to like act really normal. I think it's just gonna take me a little getting used to like be used to vlogging and stuff. This is my dog Teddy, if y'all don't know. He looks like a little fox and he's my baby and I love him. This is the laundry I need to do, and then this is my room situation right now. I just got back from a trip to California, and I know it looks bad, but it's like, it's really just like clothes and shoes on the floor. It's not like nasty trash and stuff. And then like this area is completely clean. This is just Teddy's food I need to put away. I'm gonna try to set you up to where like it's a good angle. Dude, this is so hard because my blinds keep pushing my camera. Hello guys. Unfortunately I have more laundry too. We have like this really big washer where I live, and so if you do like 2 loads, you're like done with all of your clothes, and it doesn't take long, and then you have like a shit ton to fold. So yesterday I was going to do a like drive with me like playlist video, and literally my car tripod broke. It wouldn't even fit in the first place, my camera, so it doesn't really matter that it broke. But now I really need a car tripod, and I'm scared to buy any because I'm scared that they're gonna be exactly how mine was, because it didn't even fit. Like, it literally wouldn't even fit. My windshield, I guess, is like a weird shape, and so it would just like, I would try to flip my screen up and then it would just hit the top of the windshield. Yeah, but I was gonna do like a really cute video showing like my favorite songs and shit, and I can't even do it. Hi guys, I just finished my laundry, at least folding it anyways. The way I do it is normally like I'll fold everything and then all the things that need to be hung up stay right there. And there's a teddy boy, sorry, I get distracted by him because he's so cute. But yeah, I'll just like put hang up clothes away after I put all of this away. Yeah, so I'm gonna put all of this away and probably start another load and then clean my room. Okay, so I just finished my laundry and I made my bed. Just about done cleaning my room. Here, let me turn on my closet light. Okay, I'm just about done cleaning my room. The floor is all cleaned. It feels really nice. And this is what my closet looks like when there's not shit all over the ground. But yeah, my closet's a walk-in, but it's actually really small feeling to us because me and my boyfriend just both have like a lot of clothes, as you can see, and so it's kind of hard to like fit everything in there. But nonetheless, it's finally clean, and this was already clean earlier, but yeah. I just took him out potty, and good boy. Yeah, good boy. I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I just like recently got, and I wanted to like haul it for you guys. So the first thing, it's in here because like the bag broke. But my boyfriend actually got me like this set of like so many different scrunchies, and they're all like different colors, and I'm just like obsessed with them. Like, how cute is this? I also got some new candles from Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I got a White Barn candle. It's cactus blossom and it smells so good. And I also got bergamot waters, also White Barn. But yeah, I got this Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. I got the trial size because the regular size was like $26 and I wasn't sure if I wanted to spend that much, and also I've never tried it, so I don't know if it's like actually better than sex, you know. So yeah, I got this and I tried it today. That's it on. It is really good mascara. I just don't know if it's like worth $26 for like full size. And then from H&M, I got these cute ass pants. I tried them on and I'm obsessed with them, and I'm excited to like wear them for chapter and stuff because I'm in a sorority and so we have to dress nice like every Monday. That's kind of all I got. I just wanted to show you guys like the new stuff that I've gotten recently. I didn't get it all at once or anything, but yeah. Hi guys, so right now I'm making dinner. Cut up some zucchini, about half of it, and then I'm gonna make this chicken that I showed you guys earlier, probably just a breast, and then I'm preheating the oven right now for my Chipotle seasoned spicy sweet potato fries. And I'm super excited because I have sugar-free ketchup that I think is gonna be really good with these. So yeah, I'm super excited for my din. So here's my dinner. It's just one chicken breast. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I have the hiccups. Every time I drink one of these, I get the hiccups like immediately. I don't know why, but oh god, I'm so sorry. Anyways, so I have one chicken breast, and then this is zucchini and mushrooms, and then these are my sweet potato fries that I baked in the oven. So yeah, I'm gonna eat and then I'll update you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it is the next day and I totally forgot to end the vlog, so I'm really sorry. I ended up just going to the movie theaters with one of my friends and then coming back and falling asleep. I got back at like 12 a.m. so it was kind of later, but yeah, I'm really sorry I forgot to end the vlog. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe down below and give it a like and comment and everything like that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.